Hola, and welcome to another delicious food review with Dakota. We are here at Dairy Queen, and we got the new, just released, Reese's Royal Fluffernutter Royale. Alright, here it is. You can see it. So, we got our categories: flavor, texture, add-ins, size, and value. Well, I can tell you what, size and value, I got the mini. Not very good. This is $5 plus tax. You get the giant one, it's like $8.50. So, let's get into it. Okay, flavor, this basically tastes like a regular Reese's Blizzard like they've always had. I do get a little bit of the marshmallow. So flavor, say 3 out of 5. Texture, 3 out of 5. Add-ins, like I said, there's not much marshmallow in there. It's basically a regular Reese's Blizzard. So add-ins, 3 out of 5. Size and value, 1 out of 5. So I hope you enjoy. Until next time, bye.